Check this out. What's up, everyone? This is Scott with Team 512, and today is the day. The Corvette Meetup with Yellow Vet 04 and hopefully a bunch of you guys. So it's about 7:30 in the morning. The car's pretty much ready to go. We're just packing up the trunk, making sure we've got all the essentials. Gonna hit the gas station. Also gonna go to Cars and Coffee in Malvern, Pennsylvania at the Wegmans and pick up anybody else that wants to go to a Corvette meetup. So hope to see you guys there, and more to come. All right, everyone, it's 9 o'clock. We're here at Cars and Coffee in Malvern, and we're getting ready to leave in about an hour. But let's just take a look at some of the cool cars that are here before we get out of here. check this out. We've got 25 Corvettes and still more on the way at Jimmy's American Grill. And if you don't know the backstory, Yellow Vet 04 and I met on YouTube and decided it would be fun if we met up at some point. And so we decided to invite a few friends, and they all showed up. So here we go. Let's check out some cars. That's not a Corvette. No, but that's Rick from Shine Lab Details BMW. Link in the description. Looks like someone drove that off the lot today.
What?
Look how clean that is.
It is, yeah.
Nice work.
Thank you.
All right, so admittedly, we're a little C5 heavy, but you know, us C5 guys, we stick together. We let some C6 and C7s in. But next time we do this, we want to see some of the older generations too, so. You probably follow Dave already, but if you don't, Yellow Vet 04, I'll put a link down in the description.
Here, this is my car now. It's, oh, it's a good one. That one. So I can scream. Once you put it on, it ain't coming off. Yeah, that stuff is hard as a rock.
It's good to see another FRC. All right, everyone, I just made it home from the Corvette meetup at Jimmy's American Grill. The skies are really dark. A big storm is just about to hit, and I made it home in time. I want to thank everybody who came out today. We had about 30 or more Corvettes. It was a fantastic turnout. Hopefully we do another one of these in the fall. and we're going to shoot hopefully for 50 to 60 Corvettes. So the wind is picking up. Like I said, I made it home just in time. So thank you again to Jimmy's American Grill for letting us use their parking lot, and of course for supplying the food and drinks. It was great to meet some other YouTubers and friends from Instagram. We'll certainly let you know if we decide to do this again in the fall. And if you know of a place that you could recommend in the southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware area that could accommodate 50 or 60 Corvettes, has good food, good drink, and could also accommodate some patrons as well, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram or comment in this video here. All right, I'm gonna go inside before I get rained on. See you guys soon. Bye.